Templates are especially useful for companies wanting to have a standard language when speaking. And not language as in Portuguese, English, or French, but the way that people should be answering for tickets, changes, problems, and so on. And that's why we have it in GLPI. You have the ability to create some templates for any kind of situation in your GLPI. Be it for a first response, be it for a delayed response, be it for asking for additional questions, be it for inserting a knowledge base article to a follow-up, or even when you are reminding the requester that the ticket is pending and it's in need of some more information. And in GLPI, you can create ticket templates, follow-up templates, task templates, and even solution templates. And not just that, you may also use some variables from tickets. Let's take a look on the follow-up templates. In GLPI, you can navigate through setup and drop-downs. In drop-downs, you can filter by templates, and you may see that here we have all of the templates we have in GLPI. For this video, we are navigating through follow-up templates. To this example, I'll add a new follow-up template that is going to use some tags to take variables from the ticket and also insert knowledge base article to a follow-up. Click on Add. Create a name so it's easily found when a technician needs to use this follow-up template. So in this case, insert follow-up with related knowledge base article. The source of follow-up, you may choose which one you want. In this case, I'm using helpdesk. If I need some more comments, I can type them here. If I want this follow-up to be private or not, and this is also for other video. In this case, I don't want it to be private because I want the requester to see and in this case, I don't want it to be private because I want the requester to see the follow-up after it's added. I want it to be also available for child entities. And in the content, I can see the available variables. The available variables are present on all templates in GLPI. And you can choose variables that change according to tickets. So let's say ticket ID, the impact of this ticket, or even the requester's name. You can filter them and choose the ones that you want. For this case, we are coming back to the follow-up template, and in the content field, we are inserting some text. So every time someone asks to use this follow-up, there's a typo error here. So every time someone asks for insert follow-up with related KB article, it will add all of this information. But as you can see here, I have some variables. So in this case, GLPI will insert the user first name of this ticket, the requester first name, because I'm saying that for every requester user, it will be added the first name. Here is the default text, and also the same for no base in ticket no base items. So it means that every time there is any knowledge base related to this ticket, it will insert the no base link raw and also the no base answer raw. Again, you can see them on the available variable. So on my tickets list, I will add a follow-up using my template and inserting a knowledge base article. So let's take the software XYZ is not working as an example. I'll add a knowledge base article to this ticket. Add it here. And on tickets timeline, I'll add an answer and choose a template from the list of templates that I have. So insert follow-up with related KB article. Right now, all the article will be loaded on the content of this follow-up. That's it. And I can also, for sure, add a pending reason or not. But in this case, I will just insert this article, or if I want to change it, for sure I can add some more information here, more info. And also I can save this Followup as a new knowledge base article, but I'm not doing that. I'm adding it, and now the user can see all the content of this article, but not just that. You can click here and see the knowledge base article itself. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing to our channel, and see you on the next video.